With Android Auto, you can access some of the features of your Android device through your vehicle. Visit www.android.com/auto for a list of available functions and compatibility. For best results, update your device to the latest software version. If your device is not equipped with the appropriate software version, you may need to download the Android Auto app to your Android mobile device to use this feature in your vehicle. First, visit the Google Play Store on your phone to download the Android Auto app to your device. Then, launch the app on your Android phone and follow the prompted directions to set up the application. To connect to Android Auto wirelessly, you must first connect your device to a Wi-Fi network, as well as the vehicle's Bluetooth. To connect to Bluetooth, press the menu button on the control panel. Touch Connections, Devices, then Add New. A message will appear on your vehicle screen, directing you to perform the following procedure on your device. Touch Settings, Bluetooth, then the name of your vehicle. Ensure that the code on your vehicle's screen matches the code displayed on your device. Follow the prompts on your device. A notification will appear on your vehicle's screen. Touch Yes to use Android Auto. If wireless connection is not available, connect your Android device to a USB port using a high-quality USB cable. Once connected, the startup information screen will appear on the display. Touch Yes to use Android Auto. Touch this icon to display a list of available apps and touch to select. Press the menu button or touch this icon to return to normal vehicle functions. You may change the settings so that Android Auto will not automatically connect every time your phone is plugged into your vehicle. To adjust these settings, press the menu button on the control panel. Touch Connections, Devices, this icon next to your device's name, Smartphone Projection, Startup Options to adjust the settings. From this menu, you can also touch Vehicles Help for Android Auto to view helpful tips on using the app. From the Devices menu, you can touch to switch to a different device. For hands-free operation, you can press and hold this button on your steering wheel or touch this icon on your screen. You will not be able to use the phone handset while Android Auto is running. For best results when using Android Auto, speak clearly and reduce background noise by closing the windows and moonroof if so equipped. Also, direct the vents so that they are not pointing toward the vehicle microphone. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.